Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. I'm sure you noticed two things. One, I'm barefaced, but that's because we're doing a palette bingo today, so I wanted to do my makeup on camera, so that's why I didn't do anything yet, because normally I come on with my full face of makeup, and then you know, if you've seen my videos before. And two, I cut my hair. My hair was past my rib cage. It was way too long. It was probably like where, I guess like about my waist, like where the band of my pants would be. So I chopped it off because it was just so dead and too long, and I really like it. I did it myself and I did a really good job. Not to toot my own horn, but I really like it. So yeah, this is my first video with short hair. A lot of them are going to be with long hair. That's just because I pre-filmed before I had this lovely idea of chopping all my hair off. So if you guys want to see my first palette bingo, then keep watching. If you don't know what palette bingo is, it's basically where you just take a palette and you go into a random number generator and you just type in like 1 through however many colors are in that palette, and it randomly picks the numbers for you, or in like whatever number it is like the shade you're using. So the palette I'm going to be using today is the Too Faced Chocolate Bar palette. If you guys have never seen what it looks like, I will show you. I got when it like was first released, so my names aren't on the palette, but this is what it looks like. Very pretty. I am trying to pan this palette in my project pan, so I just thought it would be appropriate to use this palette. So this has 16 shades. I actually wrote down all the shades on a piece of paper. Yeah, so I'm going to pick 5 shades. I have them all numbered on the piece of paper with their names written down. So let's see, I have my 1 through 16 entered. So I'm going to pick 5 shades because B-I-N-G-O. So let's see. All right, so number 6 is Salted Caramel, which is this really nice like brown shade right here. This is one of my favorite shades, so I'm very happy that this got chosen. Then the next shade is number 10. So number 10 is, I like don't know, Candied Velvet, or Violet, sorry. So Candied Violet is, Jesus, this a purple right here. And I'm nervous because this is what it looks like on the finger. If you know anything about Too Faced purples, you know that they're not the best, and this one's a little chunky and I've never used it before, so that'll be fun. Then we have number 1. Oh gosh, this is Gilded Ganache, which is, oh, lovely. This super chunky shade, very chunky. You should name that Chunky Monkey. I mean, look at this. 15. This is really playing me right now. Oh, good Lord. 15 is Cherry Cordial, which is this red shade right here. God. Actually, this is kind of matte. Okay. Well, not really. But that's Cherry Cordial. And then one more is number 8, which number 8 is Semi-Sweet, which I don't know. Okay, Semi-Sweet's a matte. Semi-Sweet is this shade right here. Let me just swatch that for you. I'll swatch it right here. All right, so these are the 5 shades that I am working with. Again, we have Salted Caramel, Candied Violet, this one is Gilded Ganache, Cherry Cordial, and Semi-Sweet. This is gonna be very interesting. I don't know what kind of look I'm gonna come up with, but keep watching so you can see what I come up with. To prime my eyelids, I'm going to use this Makeup Revolution eye primer, and I just blend it out with my finger. Alright, so the first shade I'm going to pop into is a Salted Caramel with my Morphe M441, and I'm just going to sweep this in the crease. Next, I'm going to take Salted Caramel and Cherry Cordial, which is like totally against my beliefs of putting a shimmer in the crease. I'm just gonna swipe this in the crease. Alright, I'm really liking the crease right now. It looks really good. So next I'm going to take salted caramel, cherry cordial, and semi-sweet. Taking those again on the Morphe M441 and just really focusing it in the crease. Gonna go in with this BH V13 brush and pick up cherry cordial a little bit more. Tap some off and just really like blend it again because I feel like that shade got lost. Alright, I know the outer V's are looking a little questionable right now, but I will clean them all up once I do my foundation. But first I'm gonna just take some more primer and put it on my lower lash line. I just take my finger, kind of just take like the side and just like blend it into the skin. Just so I can do the lower lash line. I'm gonna go in with this BH V5 and I'm just gonna take all the shades I used on the crease and just run them along the lower lash line just to give the look a super smoky effect. Next, taking this Ulta Dome brush that is stained from when I did my Gryffindor tutorial, I'm going to take Gilded Ganache, aka Chunky Monkey, and pop this on the outer V. This is a gorgeous shade. It's just a mess to work with. Next, I'm just gonna take my ring finger and go in with Candied Violet. I'm just gonna place Candied Violet on the lid and really blend it in to that Gilded Ganache shade. Next, I'm just going to take my Morphe M330 brush and just really blend out everything. Alright, I'm going to go finish up the rest of my face and do my mascara and lips and all that stuff off camera, and I will be back to show you guys the finished look. And this is the finished look. I did add some eyeliner off camera, and for mascara I used my Buxom Lash Mascara and my CoverGirl So Lashy Mascara, and then for lips I used the ColourPop and Delilah collab. This is a Make-A-Wish one in the shade New Day. How do you guys think I did for my first palette bingo? I think I did okay, but the crease is getting really sparkly with that cherry cordial shade, I think it was called. It kind of is looking like I went to like a Kesha concert or something on my face. I don't know, but I think I did pretty good for my first try. Let me know what you guys think down below in the comments. Also, let me know if you want me to do more palette bingo videos. I would love to do more. It is really fun and it gets me to use colors that I would never use. I'm just kind of like out of my comfort zone. So if you like this video, please give it a big thumbs up. Don't forget to hit that red button down below for more videos like this and makeup tutorials and all that fun stuff, because I do a lot of videos. I'm trying to upload more for 2019, so definitely subscribe to my channel. Make sure you're following me on all my social media. That's always linked down below as well. If you guys have any video suggestions, let me know in the comments down below. Like I said, let me know if you want to see more palette bingos. And if you want to see any specific palettes, please let me know in the comments down below. Or if you just want to leave a comment saying, hey, please do that too. And that is all I have to say. So I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye!